every Wednesday at 8 o'clock. I'm live on the TV cooking up some lovely Jamaican dishes, which is on Bentv.com or Sky 182. Caribbean Gateway is one of the best program right now, which is hitting the market, hitting the street. Everybody keep talking about Caribbean Gateway. And the beauty with Caribbean Gateway, you can also go on the internet, on your phone, on your device, anything, and watch us live. All you have to do is type in bentv.com on the internet and you will watch us live. So tomorrow night at 8 o'clock, Chef Ricardo will be in the kitchen live on Bentv or Sky 182. If you have Sky at your house, watch me tomorrow night at 8 o'clock with Chef Ricardo. Remember, you can follow Caribbean Gateway on the internet, also Facebook, all of those information on the link, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, all of those, and you have the website also. So if you go on the internet and you type of Caribbean Gateway, you will get more information. Below, when you subscribe to the channel and put your information, you will see some more links where you can click on and go to more information about the program. Also, you can visit my website at chefricardo.co.uk. You can sign up for free and you can win a Caribbean cookbook from Chef Ricardo. I will be in the kitchen tomorrow at 8 o'clock on the TV. Watch Chef Ricardo live. Different dishes. Black History Month recipe.